تقبل الله منا ومنكم عيد مبارك علينا.
Eid is over, Ramadan has passed, but a golden opportunity remains.
عيد مبارك علينا وعليكم تقبل الله منا ومنكم.
The Prophet ﷺ said, "Whoever fasts Ramadan and follows it with 6 days of Shawwal, it is as if he has fasted the whole year." Sahih Muslim. Allah multiplies rewards. Fasting Ramadan is like fasting 10 months, and the 6 days of Shawwal complete the year. You can fast these days consecutively or separately, whatever is easier for you. Fasting after Ramadan keeps the spirit alive, strengthens self-discipline, and earns immense rewards. Don't miss out on this simple yet powerful act. Fast 6 days of Shawwal and earn a year's reward. So continue the Ramadan spirit. Don't stop. Keep the momentum. Fast 6 and complete your year.
تقبل الله منا ومنكم عيد مبارك علينا وعليكم.